City of Ballarat awarded a contract to Nicholson Construction to begin work restoring many of the vital elements of the building, including the roof, the stage, the understage areas, and many of the structural components. Works also include repairing moisture damage to external walls and restoring the internal paintwork, damp-proof repairs to the basement walls, and restoring the restroom facilities. The construction team will restore the historic personality of the building using traditional heritage construction techniques. Yet many of the methods used in the revitalisation will utilise innovative technology. The ultimate aim is to strengthen the structure of Her Majesty's Theatre, repair the drainage and moisture issues causing damage to the building, and restore the traditional finishes of the theatre in line with its heritage.